So I've got here the Micro Mini original kickboard scooter. So let me pull it out of the box. So here's the actual scooter itself. It's good for small kids. It has a little brake in the back. It's self-standing because it has 3 wheels. Cool thing about it for kids is for turning, when they lean over, it automatically turns the tires. So it has a couple of springs on the bottom to turn. If you want to break it down, there's a little red lever that you push and you can pull out the handles. So once you push the little red button at the bottom, it pops out. Unfortunately, it doesn't have anything to hold on to when you're traveling. So it won't, it won't just, like some will just fold over and they're attached to each other, they just loose. So to reattach it, over here, push that down. So you just reattach it, snap it, and it's snapped in place. It's actually a pretty cool little scooter for small kids.